Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, something absolutely mind-blowing is happening on the Bitcoin charts right now. I am here on the beach and actually I wanted to take a day off, but I was looking at the charts and I knew I have to come here to you. I have time-sensitive content to push towards you. So please give me this feedback, make noise for the algorithm, share the video, like the video, leave a comment down below, make YouTube understand that these ones are relevant, and I will make more of these updates on the go wherever I am, whenever it is necessary. Let me go into the Bitcoin price right now and tell you exactly I am looking at right now when it comes to the current developments for the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. So you can see here, I was updating you over on Twitter about these specific happenings, and what you can see, we had this massive Elon Musk pump, and right now it seems like after forming the initial rising wedge I was talking about, where I was telling you the bullish price target is all the way up here above the $50,000 levels. If we are breaking it down, however, the bearish price target would be the bottom of the wedge. Well, we act not perfectly, but we actually hit the price target and we even overshot a little bit. With the current bounce right now, it seems like maybe Bitcoin is respecting this this bull flag. And what doesn't seem like a bull flag here on the 1 hourly, if I were just to diminish the RSI, if I'm zooming out a little bit, you can see this really on the grand scheme of things looks like a bull flag. And I will be of course talking about whether we are going to break this to the downside or to the upside. Of course I want to update you about my trades as well. So far we are getting a bounce here. Looking at the volume candles, you can see that this breakdown was supported kind of here by volume coming in, but yeah, as you can see, the support is holding strong right now. Let me go over back to another chart which makes it a little bit more clear to you, because what you can see here is that this really seems like it is a bull flag. If this bull flag, which has a bullish pattern, is actually breaking out towards the upside, I will be talking about the bearish target as well. But so far we are holding the line here. So let me start with this one. Then this is a half flag pattern. You can pull this target here from the top to the bottom and look at this once again, the $54,000 level. We are seeing it over and over again. If you're subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, you saw the $54,000 price target coming in with Da Vinci's AB equals CD move, and also with my measured move price target from a previous pattern. We are seeing significant confluence coming in. So the question right now arises, is this just a big shakeout move, the move we saw here within the last few hours? Or are we actually going to break down here and form some kind of a bar pattern? Because in the end of the day, there is, even though it is less likely, the bearish target is still a possibility. And if we are basically breaking down, let me just pull out the Fibonacci measurement tool here on the phone. It's the tools are very hard to find for me. Let me just quickly pull that out here. Where is it? There it is. Sorry guys. If we are pulling that out, let's just take it from here, from all the way from the bottom to the top. Then we can see something interesting. So what you can see here is that if we were to break down, that the Fibonacci retracement level, the Fibonacci golden pocket, would be actually at the $41,000 levels. Seems low, right? But if you consider that just like 3 days ago we were at 32,000 before Elon Musk was announcing that, it is not the worst case here. So I personally think that this, or maybe even the 78.6 would be a possible price target for Bitcoin to actually hold. Let me just quickly look at this beautiful view here. I'm turning this around. I want to talk about my trades, of course, and what of these two targets, what of these two scenarios I am personally expecting right now for Bitcoin. And personally, if we are in an uptrend, if we are holding the bull flag, as long as we are not breaking the falling support, the descending support, we are bullish. We are still in the bull flag. If we are breaking it down, however, prices of 42,000, 39,500 are the next targets to look out for on the bearish point of view. But right now, as long as we are holding it, we are in a bullish stance, we are at a bullish buy-ins, and there is no reason, as long as we are not breaking below the bull flag and breaking and closing a 4-hourly candle below with volume support, there is no reason to flip bearish. If we do, however, we should flip bearish, we should take profits, and we should look out for bearish price targets in the immediate short term. Otherwise, $54,000 is still, let me protect the camera here a little bit from the wind, is still a very possible scenario, especially considering that It is my price target for February, and February is going on for many more days. Let me quickly go over to the Twitter chart here. Let me quickly go over to Twitter, because I have something interesting. So as you can see here, so far the Bitcoin price is holding the bull flag. I was posting that over there. Make sure that you are following me over on Twitter. Also, I was posting yesterday, 19 hours ago, in this specific post here, but the Bitcoin breakdown could bring us to 44,900. This is the exact price target where we are at right now. I said unfortunately, because of course I didn't want this to happen. Let me quickly go over to the Bitcoin, to my trades before I talk about this interesting chart here, because this chart is certainly something for the history books, guys. It is certainly something which is very important to consider as to where the Bitcoin price is going in the immediate short term. Otherwise, look at this here. So as I said, the bearish price target was 44,900. We are at these exact levels right now at the time of recording. As you can see, I opened a 35x leverage trade. As you can see it here on the downside, $33,890. It is right now approximately, what is it, like 7 times 45,000, 300 something thousand US dollars in a profit. I am keeping this one open. I might consider taking some profits if we are breaking the bull flag towards the downside. Let me quickly go over where's my FEMAX trade. This is my FEMAX trade. It is right now 1.2 million US dollars in a profit. Same for this one. I am taking profits at 54,000 US dollars, but I will, of course, let me go over back to the to the camera. Let me flip it over. So I will, of course, take profits at the 54,000 US dollar levels, and I might take some slight profits here if we are breaking the bull flag down to the downside. I just wanted to make this video to calm you down. I mean, we just pumped 10,000 US dollars, 15,000 US dollars up within like 2 days. So going down 5,000, 8,000 is not the end of the world at all. If we are holding the 39,000 US dollar levels, you can calm down, and we are still in a bullish stance. We are still creating higher lows for Bitcoin. So this video is more like to calm you a little bit down and to show you that Bitcoin is still extremely bullish, even though we will be breaking down this this bull flag towards the downside. If we are holding it, of course, the 54,000 US dollar level is still in place. I have something to share with you guys, and let me take a quick walk here on the beach, because the chart I want to show you is, as you know, let me protect the camera a little bit. As you know, more and more of these S&P 500 companies are joining Bitcoin. We recently had Elon Musk joining Bitcoin. Look at this beautiful view here, and buying 1.5 billion US dollars worth of Bitcoin. Well, now the most important question, of course, arises: when are the other companies joining? When are the other S&P 500 companies joining? I have one chart to show to you, because this chart over on Twitter, let me quickly go over to Twitter. It blew my mind, and it also blew the mind of Michael Saylor. What you can see here is the crypto stocks market cap, and as you can see, the stocks involved in crypto or holding crypto in their balance sheet, their market capitalization increased significantly. It's not only Bitcoin increasing significantly. All of these companies will be incentivized to buy Bitcoin to put it into their balance sheet. As you can see, their return is 800%. These executives, these decision makers, let me quickly go over back to the camera, switch it over. So these decision makers, they are holding stock options. They are paid on performance. Don't you think they will be incentivized to add Bitcoin to their balance sheet? Well, I certainly do think so. And you can let me know what you think about that down below. I know it's not very appropriate to make a video from the beach, but I thought better to do this video from the beach than to do no video, because I'm far away from my office right now. Let me know what you think about that. Smash up the like button, and post your gains down below. I know that you made a lot of gains here with the MMCrypto community recently. Leave your comments down below. Let me know your gains, because your gains are my gains and my gains are your gains. We are one crypto family. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always. Bye bye.